shit, man. What the fuck, man? What the fuck, man? Shit, it's all nigga, man. Fuck, man. Fuck you, man. Shit.
Over. Oh, yo. Are you Awe? Osikpere bana ni gire. Isowa imame wa ropa. Eh? You know what? Emo makwaro very. Ina he rugbai. Kojo. Koyo, wesi gbebo. Koyo, gbogbo ẹ, kò má rí wọn ẹ. Agbọnla o.
Koye.
Bola.
Koye.
Agbọn.
Ọ̀nà bola ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀, ọ̀pọ̀ pé àwọn ajé rẹ̀ lẹ́la tó pẹ́ parí wọn.
Ọ̀sán wo ká.
Bola o.
Boy.
Mo máa ń gba ìwòjọ́, wọ́n lókè àti pa.
Kamboka.
Ojo.
Yes.
Abokina.
Yes. Yes. Muru na.
Jabe. Omu obo na ki awe na.
Iye.
Aya, omu obo ki awe. Mujale do si emu me.
Ojo. Iye.
Uta.
Iye do na idai.
Bọ́lá sọ tí a fẹ́ràn yìí fẹ́ náà.
Koyo. Mola.
Shit, man. What the fuck, man? What the fuck, man? Shit, it's all nigga, man. Fuck.
Iwo wọn na e iwa mu be moto ni sume. Ido ko bi atu me. Iye dai.
Mo ní ká wọ́n no imoto.
Iye wa no ye, imuru e.
Umele no tara, e wata no.
I remember him, Dad. I remember him. I was on my way to pick you up and I hit him. I remember him, Daddy.
What happened? I'm
So sorry.
I'm
so sorry. I'm sorry, Daddy. I'm so sorry. It was an accident, Daddy. It was an accident. It was not intentional, Daddy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Daddy. Sorry, bro. I'm right here, man. Come here. I'm sorry, man. You? What are you doing here? That's the guy you're talking about? The girl I was supposed to marry?
What's no ye?
Can't believe this, man.
When we there, what's no one ye?
Osasu.
Anya. Mola.
Yes, Daddy. That was her, man. You broke my heart, man. That was the girl, Daddy.
Daniel, I'm listening.
I need you to be the first to hear this.
And what is that?
Osasu can see again.
Don't even try to impress me. It's obvious that Osasu can't see again. So what?
I'm assuring you that Osasu can see again. I have a lot of good friends who are eye doctors in America. They can get the job done.
So, who will pay for it?
There are so many organizations in the United States that does this all the time. Alright? We can do it, we can get it done, and I'm assuring you that Osasu can see again. But there is a price to pay. But the question is, who is going to pay the price?
Kemi came na really go me thinking away. Me o go no. Em no kwa we no gbe me. So man o go no so me. Je. Well, twa na tamai. Bi tamai. My se. Oh, me the time I go and die. Mama, Sukma. The lady na me way. Okay, na yare. Osagie. Osasu na no me. Esa ti me ame. Zeva we mo mani e die. Awe no mani, mo be me. Ame. Me magi miama nikia kijene me magi miama nikia kijene o adela konyo ga mose o kwasia yo me ba o magi miama nikia kijene o me magi miama nikia kijene me magi miama nikia me no karo comment mais tu aurais dit ça que toi tu es nani oui il m'a mis à me yo moi bon ni ido ege ni ma wa mo we tele ni ade ni na ya so ọmọ gun ni o be ni je nga yo to mo ke do gu e vie hello awo iga ira mi o iga je wo pa iga egbe mi abi yan wa ya be tin ya bo se ni ya oko ya emi gi ba ni ya na lese mi a sokma we ni karo o ma le una ye mi ja kiri wo pa o iga o mi iga bege kiri we no iga seri o ma gbe no we gbe ni yeti be Munda, ngele kabuwa Mosasu. Je we Mosasu so pa. Ana idomi we o bere nenya. Ah, ti de yo po be evan. Ita. Mosasu me wo kan ri we ni karo. Mosasu egbesi si da meri yo po be we o ko no ya ni sota. So pa ra won riyaji. E ge gbegbo we. Agi gbegbo we ready meje gbe ma we me o gbegbo we e o gbegbo we influence akaba me magi miama nikia kijene me magi miama nikia kijene o adela konyo ga mose o kwasia yo me ba o
me my brother. Our wedding is going to be the talk of it. America ambassador to Nigeria talking about the wedding. Trust me.
America ambassador or the wedding wear. Alright,
aha, that's jealousy. Hey, jealousy, okay. Anyway, so tell me, how you guys preparing for your wedding?
Yeah.
How you guys excuse us? Let's talk. Maybe. Okay.
You better gossip.
Why are you arranging concerning your wedding? What's the plan?
I have no plans with that man. Moreover, my mother is coming to the country soon. So I believe I want to arrange I want to stand in the wedding.
Well, I don't know wedding, you know. My mother send Uncle Onyamudia, man, the day wedding, man, he's going to sound as my father.
Very good. Uncle wedding, Onyamudia, man. Who are the arranged men?
We are borrowing. I'm marketing. No one.
Yeah, so, hey, what is it? You know, I've been thinking. Yeah, thinking about what? You know, as future wives, I think it's our duty to reconcile our men back to their parents. Yeah. I don't understand. As far as I'm concerned, my man don't have any issue whatsoever with his mom. Or is there anything you know that I don't know? Come on, stop that pretense. You saw the look on his face when we stopped buying his mother's place. And I believe you have not set his eyes on his mom after the last time we saw the mom. Oh, wait. Are you saying I should introduce a blind woman to my parent as my future mother-in-law? Is that what you're saying? Whether blind or not, it's his mom. Really? Yeah. Yes! What are you saying? Why is you? In fact, my darling, I'm working on Felix. Though he's stubborn, I will keep pushing. Oh, really? Yes, my dear. In fact, you can push him to hell. And now, if possible, swaye. Yes! And until you do that, get away. Mommy, he got back. We are going away. And no, you're lying. Why are you having a TJ? And until then, let today be the first and the last time you ever say this again. Don't. If you don't mind, let's go and meet my man inside.
Yours has not got. Madame Zegbe. Koye. Egbera me. Avec mon osa. Avec quand egbera. Mareva. Comment ça décorer au Goredien? Ok non. Ya. Osa so eto kan yoko na. Ani do. Ogogoro, iwagogo. Mo e me le gbe mi ka e. Mo no wa sanwo dugun. Oya yi egbe ya o. Ya, ave mo le. Osa so no wa ga pon kan be idun ti ra bodo. Mete wo so wa na we do mo go. Eri agele ka go do. Obeta we na ka mo na lo yin ti pa ya se dian. Ogare wo no mo go me ke me o. Ya ori ya ka me no yo to. Ko. Mo ke we. Ya do igbere. Ko. Yo to we se. Te wo so wa ni do mo. O ma ri. O ma ko we se. Ko. Osasu wa we marriage. O wa we ga ku. Me ni je na na ji. Osasu na lo yi. Sono ba no na. O mi aga no ya we na mi to.